Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the resolution of your images using the Picsart app. If you want your photos to look sharper and clearer, this simple method will help you achieve higher quality images directly from your phone. Let's dive in. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Once it loads, look at the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings to open the app's Configuration options. Then scroll down until you find the Max Image Size setting. Click on it, and you will see several resolution options. After that, choose 12 megapixels to maximize the image quality. Once selected, click on OK to save your settings. From now on, any photo you edit or save in Picsart will have a higher resolution, making your images look sharper and more professional. Finally, remember that higher resolution images may take up slightly more storage space, but the improved quality is definitely worth it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.